Young man, help me carry these bags to the shop.
No problem, ma.
Emeka, you still dey do this wheelbarrow work.
Work na work, my brother. Honest money no dey shame person.
But you feel rest small.
Rest without money is suffering.
What if I tell you that after watching this particular video, you may not want to subscribe to that AI tool again? This is because literally all the things you want to use an AI tool for, you can do it with this particular AI tool that I will be introducing to you. Starting from generating your images, animating your images, and arranging your story scene by scene. Now, one major mistake, one major challenge that most faceless content creators are facing is this. Let's assume they are creating their content, trying to bring in another person into a scene is always difficult to them. I have noticed this countless times. Guys, all of these things and many more, I will show you how to use this AI tool to achieve it. So, if this sounds like a video you would love to watch, I am urging you to watch it from start to finish. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video. If you have a video request, leave it in the comment section. So because I don't want this video to be long, just come with me. Let me introduce you to this AI tool. So the very first thing I'll do at this point is for me to move over to my Google. You can use any browser at all of your choice, but for the sake of this tutorial, permit me to use Google. So here on Google, I will go ahead and type Google Whisk. So I've gone ahead to type Google Whisk and it has brought me to this interface. I've gone ahead to click on the very first one. Now I've clicked on it and it has brought me to this interface. So here I'll go ahead and click on Browse Gallery. I've gone ahead to click on Browse Gallery. So here it says continue with flow and all of that. I'll cancel it. Now I've gone ahead to cancel it. I'll go ahead and click on Enter Tool. I have clicked on Enter Tool and it has brought me to this interface. Because I don't want this video to be long, so I have my script somewhere. So let me head over to my notes and then copy my script. So the very first thing I'll do now is for me to generate my images. So I will start from here. I'll start from here. I'll copy down to this place. So I'll copy with these characters. I'll copy with the characters because I want everything to be there. I want to have a perfect picture. So this is it, guys. All I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on this square box. I have clicked on it. Now here I have 1 by 1, which is square. I have 9 by 16, which is portrait, and I have 16 by 9, which is landscape. I've gone ahead to generate. So I have generated at this point. One thing about Google Whisk is this. Google Whisk will always give you 2 images, so it is left for us to choose. So I think I prefer this first one. So I've gone ahead to click on the very first one here. So this is what I'm going to do next. Now looking up here, you see this icon that looks like a camera. So this is what I'm gonna do. I've gone ahead to click on that particular icon and here it says give it some animation. So I'll go ahead and minimize. I've gone ahead to minimize, so I'll come back here to my prompt. So this is it. So this is it, scene 1. This is it, scene 1, the settings and everything. So this is where the dialogue. This is where the dialogue started. So I'll copy here the trader, a maker. Okay, I'll copy up to this point. I have copied it. I'll come back here. I'll go ahead and paste it. So I've gone ahead to paste it and it is generating for me at this point. Now looking up here, you see 32 generations left. You understand? I am using Google Pro because I'm using Google Pro, so I have up to 32 generations. Like, I've used many, you understand? This is what I have left. Now, if you've not gotten Google Pro for students, let me know, because you will not have up to these 32 generations. So you have to first of all get the Google Pro for students, you understand, so that you can enjoy this. At least for now, they do give 1000 credits, you understand, for students, and it is free. Now, if you are not using it, I think you get about 150 in a month. So that's just it. So guys, this is 77%. Let me just pause it. Once it is done, I will show you what I have to. So guys, look at it here. Let's watch this together.
Young man, help me carry these bags to the shop.
No problem, ma.
Emeka, you see they do this wheelbarrow work.
Now, this is what we are going to do next. I'll come back here to my script. That guy in blue shirt said, Emeka, you still dey do this kind of work? So here, this other guy will reply. The guy pushing wheelbarrow will reply. Here, I'll go ahead and say, let the guy pushing wheelbarrow reply. Then you put it in quotation sign. You come here, put this one in quotation sign again. Let the guy putting on blue. Let the guy wearing blue say, comma, you put it in quotation sign again. Let the guy, okay, I can go ahead and copy this, then I'll paste it here. Now guys, this is why I love adding all of this, so that this, you know, AI now, I don't want the guy pushing wheelbarrow to say what the other guy should have said, you understand? So I'll go ahead and copy it again. I've gone ahead to copy it. I'll come here, I'll paste it. Guys, after this there is something I'm going to show you. I'll show you something else. I've gone ahead to paste it. I'll show you how to arrange your scenes, because I know that this is one problem that most faceless content creators are faced with. They're always like, oh, how do I introduce a new character? How do I do this and all of that? So if it is something you want to learn, I am urging you to keep watching. Let's get done with this particular one first. Okay guys, so at this point, let's assume we want to add someone else to this particular scene. So this is what we are going to do. First of all, we have to download the picture. You download the picture. So I've gone ahead to download the picture. All I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and put my phone in desktop site, so I can have access to all the features. So here I'll go ahead and click on the small black arrow at the top left hand side. I have clicked on it and it has brought this interface for me. So I'll go ahead and click on the subject. I'll click on the image. I'll click on done. Do you understand? So I'll go ahead again and click on the scene. Then let's assume this is the image I want to add. Let me just go ahead and add the image. So this too has ticked. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'll go ahead and give a description. So let's assume we are looking for a particular scene where this guy will be seen in this lady's vehicle. So here I'll go ahead and say, let the guy pushing the wheelbarrow be seen in the front seat of the lady's car. I'll go ahead and tell it to generate for me. So this is how you can go ahead arranging your scenes one after the other. Do you understand? So this is it guys. Let's wait for it to get done. let's wait for it to get done generating. So guys, this is it. Google Whisk has generated it for us. So let me know if you'll be trying this out. Let me know if you tried it but you encountered challenges. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. Let me know if you tried it but you encountered challenges. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.